Hey there, it's Jaden from JB. Buckle up because today in this JBTV, we're revving up your ride smarts with the Nextbase IQ Dash Cam, the little gadget that sees everything. These nifty cams are compact, easy to install, and ready to capture all the action day or night. Let's dive in and check it out. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features, Smart Sense Parking. You know that sinking feeling when you leave your car parked and wonder if it'll be safe? Well, worry no more. Its high-tech spatial awareness and custom-trained AI keep an eye out for any close calls or potential trouble lurking around. You'll get alerts to intervene with a voice or alarm. Talk about peace of mind. And hey parents, this one's for you. The IQ's got a super handy guardian mode. That means that you can be the boss of your car from anywhere. Set speed and location triggers, and if your car starts breaking the rules, you'll be the first to know. Plus, you can check in through your phone and chat with whoever's behind the wheel. Let the valet, mechanic, or your teen take it for a spin without the what-ifs. You're always just a tap away. Want to keep an eye on things? The IQ gives you live view access, so you can see what your car sees, inside and out. You can even set custom alerts and get notified if anything seems off. Whether you're sipping coffee, chilling at the airport, or lounging on your couch, you'll always be connected to your ride and everyone in it. Oh, and if you ever feel a bit uneasy while driving, just say Start Witness Mode. The IQ will kick into gear, capturing live footage and sharing it with a trusted contact. Plus, with Emergency SOS, if you're ever in an accident and can't respond, it'll send your location and medical info to emergency services. Talk about having your back. How much detail do you want? The IQ comes in a solid 1K resolution. Or if you want to go all out, check out the 4K version, available online only, that delivers stunning, crystal clear footage. The IQ isn't just smart, it's sleek and blends right into your car, so no one even knows it's there. And with voice control, you can command it hands-free. Just say the word, and it's on. Ready to upgrade your car's IQ? Cruise on down to your local JB or check us out online at jbhifi.co.nz. Safe driving, folks!